Hey guys, I'm in the Dollar Tree. Look at that. Oh, look at those Viva rolls. They're small. They're skinny. I know. I know. I'm just saying. Like they got so much stuff. It's all up here. This the Dollar Tree. This from Not Shopping, ain't it? That's from Not Shopping. They got so much stuff. You getting hula hoop?
I got in there hula hoop. I'm gonna get us some.
Get them water squirters.
Oh no.
They at my house. Wait a minute. Yeah, they could use them at my house.
Get in there blue. No, you gotta get them different colors.
Get a blue.
What else we missing? A yellow one.
No, I got it. Yeah, get a yellow.
Yellow handle.
Okay. Oh. What? Yeah, I don't really do plants like that though. You need to.
I do. I load them up.
Your house is boring looking. Yeah, it looks real boring.
Did you know your lawn yet? Yeah. Oh, okay. It was looking attractive. It was bad. Yeah, it was looking bad. I thought it was yesterday. What ain't gonna make it move?
Snyder's, I'll be glad we get those coupons back in there. When I had those coupons, I was getting Snyder's.
Thank you.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah. Give me some flowers.
This is a new Dollar Tree in Indiana where we at, guys. Because Illinois is still closed down. And it's crowded in here too. Just stay your distance. Make sure you stay your distance. Let's see if I can find my peanut candy. I love. What? You bought some steaks? You gonna put some flowers out?
Yeah.
It's gonna be nice.
Yeah. You don't know where the kitchen stuff is, like plates and silverware or whatever.
Look at it.
No. Every store seems different to me. I have a feeling
Oh,
there.
look at Fiji.
Oh,
When did they start having this?
I like those.
Those some good waters too. I like.
Four of them.
You gonna grab 4? I like the show. Look, like Lunchables. They got them dirt cakes. Cheez-Its. When we had those Cheez-It coupons, we got those. Huh? Tons of toys. Tons of them. Okay, so what I want to do, guys, and see. Now, I'm in Indiana. So, what I am looking for is, 1, shipping supplies for my business. So, I do need shipping supplies. Packet. See, they got mailers. They have mailers here for $1. So, I am comparing prices because I need to I'm going to have to go on Amazon and see how much they shipping is also for Amazon. Okay, so let's go back here where the detergent is because I like to see what kind of detergent they have, and I want you all to see exactly what it is you can get in here. Now that's why these the size they have in the store sometimes. Tide, Gang, there's a lot of laundry detergent. Comet. There go the Gang. You can get those. Bounce. And I get Suavia coupons. I asked for some and they gave them to me in the mail. I got a comment. In a minute I'm going to flip around so you all can see What else they got over here? My husband swear by awesome. I don't know what it do, but he love it. Stick and sand. Okay, now let me go right here. This okay, there's the Fabuloso. Palmolive, Ajax. And see, they got stuff you don't have. Like, we don't get that Ajax right there. The Works, I also buy the Works because where I live is hard water. There's other kind. And then remember we use Lime Away? Remember I said always buy from here is 25 cents. Look, the droppings. Oh my God. There you go. And then sometimes they have a Lysol any size. I want to give you all an example of what you can buy in here with coupons, and don't go out wasting your money on other stuff. Oh my God, Armor. Are they serious? It's a good deal. So I want to let you all see what you can get. Look at that. Lysol Clean, Comet, the Works. There's Comet. Okay, now we into this food aisle. The S bars. You can get eggs in here. Dannon. Bologna. Tell me you can't come in here and grocery shop. Yes, you can. Lunchables. And I get Turkey Hill coupons. And of course, you all saw me do Jimmy Dean's before. El Monterey. We get coupons for them. Banquet. Pig Sweet. I mean, you know, some of this stuff you just get Texas Toast. You get coupons for. Use the coupons. Tyson's. Sometimes we get a coupon say any size. Alright. Michelin's, we get that. Banquet, we get that. Look at that. Ices, you get all of those. Sunny D. When you have a coupon for Sunny D, come to the dollar store and check it out. Here is Ocean Spray. We also get those. Old Orchard. You all saw me do another one on that one. We got Old Orchard. There's so many of these you could get. Let me see. Is this Gatorade? Gatorade. Wow. Italian dresses. Look at that. Hunts is in here. Louisiana hot sauce is in here. Texas Pete is in here. We get coupons for all those. Heinz. Get coupons for. And these two guys. Last time I came by, I paid 25 cents for these. We had a coupon for. Stop looking at your coupons. Seeing what you can get. Look at that. Pepsi. Moon Pass, my mother favorite. Mountain Dew. I mean, healthy sliders. I want you all to see that you do not have to go to a big store and get stuff. You do not. Now let's see how their cereal go. Cinnamon Toast Crunch Berry, the same one. So you might be able to use those coupons like we did on those. Because you all know my goal, right? I want to coupon in every state. These are my favorite, which I will be grabbing today. Look at that. Keebler. Libby's. So sometimes I look at other couponers and I see that they have stuff that I'm like, wow, where did they get that from? So, you know, I want you all to see that you could go to other places, other states right over your borders and shop. Like the water here. Let me show you guys something. Look at this water. Okay, the water, Nestle. Well, we always get these. You can always get those on coupon. the water.
Up at the house.
That's cute.
Calling me for 30 minutes.
See, Hungry Jacks, Velveeta. Oh, look, they got the separate sauce and the Velveeta. Idaho. Oh, look at this bigger bag of Idaho. You can use the coupon on. I'm coming back. So this right over the bridge from over the hill from me. Betty Crocker. Oh, y'all know I'll be back. And all y'all who do dry cook with panko, here it is. Look, mac and cheese. This piece. Oh, okay. I only bought one thing.
I got one, two.
Goya.
You got any more coupons for these?
I don't have them yet. I gotta go through them. Hey. Goya. Look, lasagna shell. Just grab those for India because I owe them to her. And I'm going to start getting them back again. Hunts. Nor. That's what I said. Nor's in here. Suddenly selling. I like this one. I really like this Dollar Tree. You all saw this in my cabinet. Look at that. Okay. Canned food. Green Giant. Look at that. Progresso. Some of the stuff we had in our store. Chef Boyardee, that old can. Y'all remember that? We're going to do tuna. You got Bumblebee. You got the big Amaral Vienna sausage. Bumblebee sauce. Hormel. Tamales. Elements. Any size. This'll work. Campbell's SpaghettiOs. Any size. See, you have to venture out. Oh, there's some masa. They got that too. Masa. Domino sugar. Pillsbury. Remember, we just did the Pillsbury. The Libby's, we just did that. Look at that. People using coconut oil. Here it is right here. I gotta grab one of these because I need a coconut oil. Look at that. So.
Oh, nice.
$1.
They had that cheese.
That's expensive.
Yeah, coconut oil is.
Hold on. I got one more. You got Huggies. You got those the old Huggy papers. There's all the ones we had those on sale for a while and got those. Let me see. I don't know what that is. Pardon me. Okay, let's see. Okay, body washes. Day body washes about the same. Coast. Remember, those were free. Look for that again. It's gonna come back. Palmolive Jergens. Look for Jergens. I think the body wash is in there. You might have this in there. The Jergens. Oh, it smells so good. Dow is in there. Look at that. Arm & Hammer. I think I need to write the company. Zest, Irish Spring, Dove. We got those free for a while. Oh, look at that. Aromatherapies. Caress, Dove, Yardley, Dow, and body washes. You want to look at, here's your Colgates. All of those. All of them. Guys, this is how you see some people and they have tons of stuff. It depends on what Dollar Tree you go to. Remember that. It always depends on what Dollar Tree you visit. Okay. like the deodorant, same thing. Same exact thing. But only this one is a bigger variety of a store. So, like, that's why I don't say people, oh, how did she get that? You know, these was free for a while. And the coupon, I think, is still going on. So you see me, I'm buying things that, you know, I don't have coupons for, because we in Indiana. Illinois is not open yet. That's why I'm getting out of Illinois. But I do understand, but I gotta go. Just ain't for me no more. Tall shirt. Remember we got those for 50 cents? Hair. We got some good stuff. All of that. It's a good little thing. It's a good Dollar Tree. Okay. And then, guys, I'm about to shut it down. But thanks for coming. I know a girl who started her staff business off of all the Dollar Tree products. Now she a millionaire. So don't discount Dollar Tree products. They do work. They work, guys. There's Advil. Okay. Thanks, guys. Share this page, guys. Share. If you know some people that need some good stuff for a discounted price. Thank you. Oh, here's another one. Let me get this before I shut it down. Body wash. Here it is. Oh, they got a whole little section. Cocoa butter lotion. Noxemia. There's the Noxemia. I was looking for Nivea. They don't have none, huh? Nope. They didn't have it.